This is a Grundig 960 tabletop tube radio. Often you'll see these as a 50th anniversary edition. It's all transistorized and made in China. This one is made in Germany, about 1957. Pretty good shape. I've only gone over it with a damp cloth. And so it could use a real good cleaning, maybe even a polishing on the Bakelite surfaces. There's a couple of little dings. There's one right there, and one over on this side. I don't know if you can make that out, but it's right there. No cracks or chips anywhere. And it works real well. I replaced the dial lamp. Grill cloth is in good shape. It's not sagging or stained. It's got good volume. Tone control. Tune's nice and smooth up and down the dial.
They're just barely different.
As a group,
More about the Dream Backyard giveaway and kid contest rules at ktwb.com.
are you still waiting?
What woman has hit the Billboard chart during the sacred liturgy?
And then in the Southwest.
First on his way to
Arizona, top of the ninth, all tied up. 2-2.
Now this is the
Arizona
export
has
or
2
US version, so it does have an FM up to 108.
We're starting action today, 3 back.
Not a lot of stations to pick up on the AM, but it does work. I've not been able to pick up any shortwave, but I don't have a antenna hooked up to it either.
Somebody else's.
Buildings. Carrier avoided from familiar faces as they reawaken the joy that singing brings to us all. Learn more at vocalessence.org. It's 3:44 at your classical NPR.
It's the world's largest classical music festival, the BBC Proms.